Canto 9, Chapter 24. Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So in this chapter only Krishna will appear. Okay, like this is the introduction of Krishna. And then next is 10th canto, so where in detail everything will be explained. Okay. Vidarbha had 3 sons named, so we discussed this Vidarbha who was the son of Jamag. Okay, now this Vidarbha had 3 sons named Kusha, Kruta and Rompad. Of these 3, Rompad expanded his dynasty by the sons and grandsons named Babru, Kriti, Ushik, Chedi and Chaidya, all of whom later became kings. From the son of Vidarbha named Kritha came a son named Kunti, from whose dynasty came the descendants named Vrishni, Nirvritti, Dasharah, Vyoma, Jimu, Vikriti, Bhimratha, Navratha, Dasratha, Shakuni, Karambi, Devrat, Devakshatra, Madhu, Kuruvash, Anu, Puruhotra, Ayu, and Satvat. Satvat had 7 sons. One of them was Devavrid, whose son was Babru. Another son of Shatvat was Mahabhoj, by whom the Bhoj dynasty was inaugurated. Another was Vrishni, who had a son named Yudhajit. From Yudhajit came Anamitra and Shini, and from Anamitra came Nighna and another Shini. The descendants in succession from Shini were Satyak, Yuyudhan, Jaya, Kuni, and Yugandhar. Another son of Anamitra was Vrishni. From Vrishni came Shwafalk, by whom Akrura and 12 other sons were generated. From Akrura came 2 sons named Devavan and Upadeva. The son of Andhak named Kukur was the origin of the descendants known as Vahini, Viloma, Kapat, Roma, Anu, Andhak, Dunduvi, Avidyota, Punarvasu, and Ahuk. Ahuk had 2 sons named Devak and Ugrasena. The 4 sons of Devak were known as Devavan, Updev, Sudev, and Devavardhan, and his 7 daughters were Dhritadeva, Shantideva, Upadeva, Srideva, Devarakshita, Sahadeva, and Devaki. This is the Devaki. Devak, okay. Vasudev married all 7 daughters of Devak. Ugrasen had 9 sons named. So this is the Ugrasen, okay. So that day we were asking that who is this Ugrasen. So that Ugrasen different. Here is this Ugrasen. Okay, so this Andhak was the Andhak, and then son of Andhak was Kukura, and from there this Vahini, Biloma, and all this came in, and then in that were Ahuk was the son, and Ahuk had 2 sons named Devak and Ugrasen. Okay, so Devak had this daughter Devaki, and Ugrasen. So Vasudeva married all 7 daughters of Devak, and Ugrasen had 9 sons named Kamsha, Sunama, Nyagrodha, Kanka, Shanku, Suhu, Rashtrapal, Drishti, and Tushtiman. And he had 5 daughters named Kamsha, Kamshavati, Kanka, Surabhu, and Rashtrapalika. The younger brothers of Vasudeva married all the daughters of Ugrasen. Okay, so Vidurath. So Vasudeva married the daughter of Devaki, and Vasudeva younger brother married the daughter of Ugrasena. Okay, Devak and Ugrasena were brothers. So Devak, all the daughters were married by Vasudeva, and Ugrasena daughter married by Vasudeva's younger brother. Vidurath, the son of Chitrath, had a son named Shura, who had 10 other sons, of whom Vasudeva was the chief. Okay, so from here this names comes Shura. Vasudeva is sometimes addressed as Shauri. Shura gave one of his 5 daughters. So Vidurath, the son of Chitrath, had son named Shura, who had 10 other sons, whom Vasudeva was the chief. Shura gave one of his 5 daughters Pritha to his friends Kunti, and therefore she was also named Kunti. Okay, so this Pritha was given to Kunti. Okay, so she was, her name also became Kunti. So that was the story. So in her maiden state, she gave birth to a child named Karna, and later she married to Maharaj Pandu. Okay, so Bridha Sharma married the daughter of Sura named Shrutadeva, from whose womb Dantavakra was born. Okay, Dantavakra, you know. So this Shishupal and Dantavakra, they were the Ravan, Kumbhakarna, and Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha. So Drishtaketu married Shura's daughter named Shrutakirti, who had 5 sons. Jayasen married Shura's daughter named Rajadhi Devi, the king of Chedi Desha. Dama Ghosha married the daughter of Shura named Shrutashrava, from whom Shishupal was born. Okay, so Devbhag through the womb of Kamsha begot Chitraketu and Brihadbal, and Devshrava through the womb of Kamshavati begot Suvira and Ishuman. From Kanka through the womb of Kanka came Baka, Satyajit and Purujit, and from Srinjay through the womb of Rashtrapalika came Vrisha and Durmarshan. Shyama through the womb of Surabhumi begot Rishikesha and Hiranyaksha. Okay, this is a different one. Vatsaka through the womb of Mishra Keshi begot Vrika, who begot the sons named Taksha, Pushkar, and Shal. From Samik came Sumitra and Arjunpal, and from Anak came Ritadhama and Jay. Vasudeva had many wives, of whom Devaki and Rohini were the most important. From the womb of Rohini, Baladev was born, along with Gada, Sarana, Durmad, Bipul, Dhruv, Krita, and others. Okay, so Baladev Bhagwan born from Rohini. Baladev Bhagwan ki jai. Vasudeva had many other sons by his other wives, and the 8th son to appear from the womb of Devaki was the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, Krishna Chandra Bhagwan ki jai, who delivered the entire world from the burden of demons. This chapter ends by glorifying the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Vasudeva. Okay. Okay. So, okay, we will do some 5-6 shlokas, because only just translation is there. Okay, so till shloka number 7 we can do, and then we will do 8th onwards tomorrow. Sri Shuka Vacha Tasyam Vidharvo Ajanayat Putrau Namna Kushakrithau Tritiyam Roma Padam Cha Vidharva Kulanandanam. Sri Shuka Vacha, Sri Shukdev Goswami said, Tasyam, in that girl Vidharva, the son born of Shebya named Vidharva, Ajanayat gave birth Putra to 2 sons, Namna by the name Kushakrithasu, Kush and Kritha. Tritiyam, and a 3rd son, Romapadam, Charomapada, also Vidharva Kulanandanam, the favorite in the dynasty of Vidharva. Shukdev Goswami said, by the womb of the girl brought by his father, Vidharva begot 3 sons named Kusha, Kritha, and Romapada. Rompad was the favorite in the dynasty of Vidarbha. Rompad Suto Babhro Kritir Ajayata Ushikas Tatsutastasma Chedis Chedyadayo Nirpaha. Rompada Sutaha, the son of Rompad, Babhro, from Babhru, Kriti, Ajayat was born. Ushika Tatsutaha, the son of Kriti, Tasmat, from him, Usika, Chedi, Chaidya, Damaghosh, Adya, and others, Nirpaha kings. The son of Rompad was Babhru, from whom there came a son named Kriti. The son of Kriti was Ushika, and the son of Ushika was Chedi. From Chedi was born the king known as Chaidya and others. Krithasya kuntihi putro abhud vrishnistasyat nirvritihi tato dasharaho namna bhut tasya vyomah sutastataha jimuto vikritistasya yasya bhimaratha sutaha tato navratha putro jata dashrathastataha. Krithasya, of Kritha, Kunti Putra's son, Abhut was born. Vrishni tasya, his atha, then Nirvriti tataha, from him Dasharah namna by name Abhut was born. Tasya, of him व्योमा व्योमसुतः सन ततः फ्रॉम हिम जिमूतः जिमूत विकृति विकृति तस्य हित जिमूत सन यस्य ऑफ whom विकृति भी भीमरथः भीमरथ सुतः सन तथा फ्रॉम हिम भीमरथा नवरथः नवरथः पुत्र सन जातः was born दशरथः दशरथ तथा फ्रॉम हिम The son of Kirtha was Kunti, the son of Kunti, Vrishni, the son of Vrishni, Nirvriti, and the son of Nirvriti, Dasara. From Dasara came Vyoma, from Vyoma came Jimuta, from Jimuta Vikriti, from Vikriti Bhimrath, from Bhimrath Navrath, and from Navrath Dasharath. Good. कर्म भी शकुने पुत्रो देवरातस्तद आजम आत्मजः देवछत्रस्ततस्तस्य मधुकुरुवशाद अनुः कर्म भी शकुने फ्रॉम शकुनी पुत्र सन देवरात तत् आत्मजा द सन ऑफ हिम कर्म भी देवक्षत्र तथा thereafter तस्य फ्रॉम हिम देवक्षत्र मधु कुरुवशाद फ्रॉम कुरुवश द सन ऑफ मधु अनु From Dashrath came a son named Shakuni, and from Shakuni a son named Karmabhi. The son of Karmabhi was Devrat, and his son was Devchatra. The son of Devchatra was Madhu, and his son was Kuruvash, and from there came a son named Anu. Puruhotrastav Anu putrastasyayu shatvatastataha bhajamano bhajir divyo vrishnir deva vrudo anthakaha सात्वतस्य सुतः सप्त महाभोजश्च मारिष भजमानस्य निमलोचिः किंकणो दृष्टि एव च एकस्याम् आत्मजः पत्न्याम् अन्यस्यां च त्रिः सुतः शताजिच्च सहस्राजित् अयुताजित् इति प्रभो Puruhotra tu indeed Anu of Anur Putra the son tasya of him Puruhotra Anu Ayu Shatvatah Satvat Tadha from him Ayu Bhajaman Bhaji Divya Vrishni Dev Vridha Andak Satvatasya of Satvat Sutha the sons Sapta 7 Mahabhoja cha as well as Mahabhoja Marish of great king Bhajamanasya of Bhajaman Nimlochi Kinkanaha Kinkan Drishti Eva indeed cha also Ekasyam born from one wife Atmaja sons Patnyam by a wife Anasyam another cha also three Sutha sons Satajit cha also Sahasrajit Ayutajit iti thus Prabhu O king. The son of Anu was Puruhotra, the son of Puruhotra was Ayu, and the son of Ayu was Satvat. O great Aryan king, Satvat had 7 sons named Bhajaman, Bhaji, Divya, Vrishni, Devvrad, Andak and Mahabhoj. From Bhajaman by one wife came 3 sons, Nimlochi, Kinkan and Drishti, and from his other wife came 3 other sons, Satajit, Sahasrajit and Ayutajit. Okay, so now till here this is the explanation of descendants of Vidarbha, and now from this 8th shloka to 25 is the descendants of Satvata's sons. Okay, so here it is mentioned that from Bhajaman Satvat had 7 sons named Bhajaman, Bhaji, Divya, Vrishni, like that. So from 8th shloka, this another explanation is there. So that we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Hare Krishna. Yes, Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा। तो जी हम इतना भागवतम तो चल रहा है, श्रीमद् भगवत गीता में जो है वर्णाश्रम एक क्वेश्चन पूछने का है।
गीता से
एक क्वेश्चन पूछने का है भगवत